everyone, my name is Landon. So we're talking about force. First we're talking about motion. Motion is changing position. An object in motion is moving. Motion can change your position like up, down, left, right. And all like in the circle or zigzag or hilly like, or it can like get twisty like this and this and this. When an object moves, you describe it with like left or right. Those are called directions. Motion can be measured in different ways. You can measure motion in two different ways, distance and time. There is more to it than just motion. It's called friction. Friction occurs by objects touching or like two things like touching. Friction can prevent or stop motion by keeping things in place. Friction doesn't just stop motion, it can help us move. For example, if a climber is walking on the mountain, you want to get like not far. If you didn't have friction, you're going to slip. How hard you try, slip, slip, slip. The more bumpy stuff has more friction. And like the ice or like it has less friction. Second of all, we're going to talk about force. It can help you move stuff. Like a box. If there's less force, it'll be tiny motion. So if it was like more motion, like a big dude, it'll be way more motion so it could go farther. I know what you're thinking. What is force? Force is like a push or pull. You're like pulling something closer to you, or you're pushing something to your friend farther than you. A huge box, and it has like a pinball machine. You can make it with your imagination, but it has instructions like how to make it. We're gonna use it today to learn about force. It's really heavy to pick up. If I did one hand, it would be, this is pretty heavy. It has a lot of stuff, that's for sure. Let's put it on the table. Everyone, we're gonna open this box. It has tape. First, we're gonna assemble a ring of it. Is that crazy or what? These are the first two pieces. We do it like through the holes. Now we're gonna do section 3. And put it right in the very far end. Now we're doing on section 4. So I put it inside. We're doing our bumpers next. Like this. And this has a lot. It's like round. Now it's going there. Now we need to make another one. All the way from the beginning. We have books of them and there's a book that like you can do this. Now we're gonna do the wall. I'm gonna show you these. That's pretty good, right? I'll put it all in. When it's so done, it's gonna be so cool. In pinball, only move with its force. If there is no force, it's going to be like this. You can't go anywhere like if you miss a spot, you're going to lose, so you have to start over. Velocity is how fast it goes. Let's see how fast it goes. Forces are pushes. So forces are pushes are pusher. On the pinball machine, like pushes it like this. A push on the pinball machine is a contact force. The ball gets energy and it springs forward like bam. Thanks for learning with me. I'll see you later or in the next episode. Thank you, Bo, for giving me this pinball machine. That was very nice of you. Thanks, Bo. You're my best friend. I hope I see you.